United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 185. Suspension of exercise of rights and privileges of membership. 1. A state party, which has grossly and persistently violated the provisions of this part, may be suspended from the exercise of the rights and privileges of membership by the Assembly upon the recommendation of the Council. 2. No action may be taken under paragraph 1 until the Seabed Disputes Chamber has found that a state party has grossly and persistently violated the provisions of this part.